noodles and the result will be amazing. I bet you'll get addicted to making this recipe after trying it.
Add 4 eggs into a bowl. It's just an incredible and delicious recipe. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Add 1 pinch of black pepper. Now mix it well. Take your time and write in comments where are you from. Now cut any onion into strips. Take 1 bell pepper and cut it into small cubes, just like this. Now I show you how in 5-star restaurants, the chefs cut the bell pepper. Now, in a hot pan, put some butter. Then add the onion. Fry it for 3 minutes. Then add the bell pepper. Cover it for 5 minutes. After this time, add the tablespoons of tomato sauce. Mix it well. Pour the spices from the package with the noodles. Mix it well again. Now add instant noodles. Pour 1 glass of hot water. Using just a few everyday ingredients, we can make a much tastier recipe than those sold in conventional restaurants. Cover it for 3 minutes. Once done, add eggs. Cover with 3 tablespoons of mozzarella. Cook it for 5 minutes on a medium heat. Once done, you can eat it directly from your pan. It is very delicious. See you next video.